Well, hello there. Welcome to the break here from Bounty Hunter Breaks. This is Boba Fett me, and I've got a new release to rip for baseball tops. Allen and Ginter. So, value box. Now, these supposedly contain gold parallels. I don't know if they're the full size or the minis or a combination of both. But anyway, they had these at Target this morning when I stopped in there after breakfast. And I was like, what the heck? It's only $24 or $25 a box, so it was far better. They did have some select football mega boxes, but I just couldn't bring myself to spending $65 for one of those. So each pack contains 6 cards, and I think we have 8 packs because it said 48 total. So let's see what we can pull. If anything worth writing home about. Start off with a Randy Johnson on the Diamondbacks. Jackson Churio, rookie. George Kirby for the Mariners. And Ichiro for the Mariners. Whoops. Oop. And we have one of the rookie minis. And I do have those sleeves right handy, so the tobacco sleeves and top loaders. It reminds me I kind of didn't go back to finishing when they did the Star Wars T206 set. And we got a Buzzin' Bumblebee. Metro Boomin. I assume that's a celebrity. Adley Rushman. Murakami for the Giants. John Kruk. Oh, we got a Cheryl Swoops. Black border. Just sleeve that. And then we get the Louisville and Quito. I don't know if these are like sister cities. Oh yeah, sister. Yep, sister cities. Next pack. I got something here. Oh, it must be the best in show. Looks like we got the, was it Al Leiter Jr.? Or Jack Leiter, sorry. Alex Sarr. Basketball player, Kyle Tucker. Cody Bellinger. Oh, and we got a gold border mini of Carlos Rodon. Not numbered, but and Nimble. Cute little pupper. I'm curious if the x-rays come out of here too, or if those are only for hobby. Mariano Rivera. Sandy Alcantara. Nick Castellanos. Raleigh Fingers. George Kirby mini. So that's our first base mini. And then we got another Banana Joe. So that's 2 of the Westminster. Oh, we do get an x-ray, so they are in retail. And a chrome. So we got a Vu, Lilia Vu. I'm not sure who that is. Or Kid Leroy. Creator. Christian Yelich. Paris. Oh, both chromes. Wow. So a Paris, Kyron Paris, and a Luis Matos Chrome Mini, and then our Oregon Zoo, and this is really clean compared to what I've seen out of hobby boxes, the Black Bear. So that's kind of interesting that in one pack you get 3 chromes, a mini, a regular, and the Oregon Zoo. Now I'm wondering if I should have got more of them, because the thing is, you probably only get one of those a box. I'm not even sure how to pronounce his name. Risasher? Zachary? I think that was the #1 pick, if I remember correctly. O'Neal Cruz. Chris Bryant. Flaherty. And has him on the Tigers. And I want to say he went to the Dodgers because he was in the World Series. David Wright. Oh, Ginter back. Mini. And then another Westminster Monty. 2 packs left. Oh, we got another buzzing. And another chrome. So you do get more than 1 chrome. Oh, we got a Jackson Merrill to go with Jackson Cheerio. Andy Pages for the Dodgers. World Champs. And our Chipper Jones. Oh, we got a Wyatt Langford chrome. Flags of the World, South Africa. And then our buzzing, Mason B. Mason B buzzing. So it looks like you're gonna get all rookie chromes possibly out of the value boxes too. So that's kind of cool. Oh, we got another sister. Steinkopf, guitarist. Punk rock band Bouncing Souls. Never heard of them. Bryce Harper. R.A. Dickey. Eddie Murray. Is it a chrome mini? Or nope, another gold. So we get 2 golds. And he's a rookie as well. And then our sister city is Madison and Vilnius. So sleeve up our last gold. And then we'll do a quick recap. Nothing too exciting, but still not bad for $24, I would say. There are 2 golds, which are retail exclusive out of the value boxes. Got the Smith Shawver for the Braves. Both pitchers, no less. And Carlos Rodon of the Yankees. Got a black border Cheryl Swoops. Looks like these are potentially just in retail only as well. The true Ginter rookies of Jackson Holiday. And then you got 2 chromes. One's a refractor. Paris is a refractor, and the Langford is a regular chrome. I never did look to see if it says refractor. Oh, yeah, it does. Refractor. And then we did get a chrome mini. Also a rookie of Luis Matos. And we got our Black Bear of the X-Ray from the Oregon Zoo. So yeah, that concludes this lone value box of 2024 Topps Chrome, or Chrome. Topps Allen and Ginter Baseball. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Have a great rest of your day, and as always, keep collecting.